Welcome students. In this section we are going to see about cascade method in hydraulics and pneumatics. In this we take one problem. This is design a pneumatic circuit for drilling machine. Actually in drilling machine there are two main operations are there. One is holding the workpiece, another one is drilling. So for holding the workpiece we take one cylinder, that is we mention as cylinder A, and for drilling purpose we take it as a cylinder B. So there are two cylinders A and B. In this drilling operation, first workpiece have to hold, then drilling have to done, then drill bit have to go upward, then workpiece have to release. So we make it as A plus B plus, then B minus, then A minus. So for this we make it as a two groups. So A plus B plus is one group and B minus A minus is another group. There is only one rule. In certain group, same letters cannot be repeated. So A, B is one group. So totally two groups, and number of cylinder is 2, A and B. Number of DCV is 2, direction control valve. Number of limit switches 2 into number of cylinder, that is 4. 4 limit switches. Then pressure manifold line we say as a pipeline. So there are two groups, so two pipelines. And number of cascade valve, it is nothing but a DCV valve, 4/2 DCV valve, direction control valve. So number of cascade valve is number of group minus 1, so one cascade valve. So here there are two groups and we are going to design a pneumatic circuit for drilling machine. Here I used a to draw a pneumatic circuit. I used a Fluid Sims demo software. This is a demo version. It is a user friendly, but it is a demo version. Some options are not available. Anyhow, I try my best to make you understand how to draw the circuit diagram, pneumatic circuit diagram. So here I am just taking the cylinder. We already seen that there are two cylinders A and B. Now I am drawing first cylinder A. We have to give the limits because we are going to use a limit switch. So in this software we have to give limits and mention it as A0 and A1. Okay, now the A cylinder is drawn. Next we are going to draw DCV, direction control valve. This is a double acting cylinder, so we have to use 4/2 DCV. Here there are manual operated, mechanical operated, pneumatic and electric operated are there. So we have to use pilot operated. Since it is a automation process, we have to use pilot operator on both sides. So like that we have drawn two cylinders A and B and two DCV, 4 limit switches, 2 pipeline and 1 cascade valve. Now we see the connections. So first from cascade valve, draw a line to the pipe 1. This is pipe 1. From pipe 1 we have to operate cylinder A. So join from pipe 1 to left side of DCV. Then cylinder A get extends, so it actuates the limit switch. So from the limit switch we go for another operation, next operation. Our next operation is A plus, A extends, then B. So we have to join to B DCV. So B extends. B extends means it actuates B1 limit switch. So now B1, A1 and B1 is completed. A plus and B plus is completed, so one group is over. So whenever one group is changed, we have to join to the cascade valve. So A plus, that is A1 actuated, B plus, so B1 limit switch actuated. So from B1 it have to connect to the cascade valve. So it operates the cascade valve, it changes the direction. So now from pipe 1 the flow changes to pipe 2. So pipe 2 is the last line, you can see there. From the last line we have to join B minus. So in this group first step is B minus. So we have to join right side of the DCV of B cylinder. So now the B get returns and B not activated. So after B return B minus, we have to operate A. So A have to minus. So it connected here. So now A naught is activated. So B minus and A minus is done. It means one group is done, one set of group. Since it is automation process, next it have to actuate another position, A plus. I like to summarize here. On cascade valve is joined to the pipeline 1. From pipeline 1 it joins to the DCV joins to the cylinder A0 and A1 is there. It extends A1 actuates the cylinder B, then B extends, it actuates B1, then B1 actuates. So A B completed, one group is completed, so it actuates cascade valve. Now the direction is changed, so now fluid flow to pipe 2. So from pipe 2 first operation is B minus. So from pipe 2 we have to actuate DCV of B. So B cylinder get return and touches B naught limit switch. So from B naught limit switch it goes and operate DCV of cylinder A. So cylinder A get return and A naught get activated. So B minus and A minus is done. So again it comes to the cascade valve. Now again the procedure is repeated. So here A plus, B plus, A extend, B extend, then B return, then A return. One cycle is completed. Thank you. I think this section will be useful for you to understand pneumatic circuit. Same thing, here we have seen A and B. Same thing for ABC. If it is C means you have to use another set of cylinder, another set of DCV, another set of limit switch. So you please try. Only by practice you can make it possible. So it will be easy to you watch, but while drawing you may face some difficulties. So please practice more. Thank you for listening.